Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video I have already shown you how to design this login form. Here you can see this, all this design and all these stuff I have already shown you in the previous video. So if you have not watched my previous video, then just go to description. There I have put the link for the previous video, or you can just click on the suggestion on the right side of your screen. So let me log in, and after that I will show you what I'm going to teach you today. So today I'm going to show you how to design this dashboard. Here you can see this, we have these stuff. So donor, in donor we have add new, update detail, all donor details. Each of these stuff today I'm going to show you how to design these stuff. Okay, so let me just move back to our project on which we are working, that is blood bank video. So here I am, and here you can see this, we are done till here. Here you can see this, we take days and password is pass. Let me just show you. Here you can see this, when I click on this we are on the dashboard, but it's not as we expected. Okay, so let me just start designing on this. So dashboard, here we have this. Let me just make it large enough. Okay, so first of all we have to stop this project, and after that let me just maximize this. Okay, so first thing, we need a background. Okay, so let me just add a background with that. So just go for background image and select, go to local resources, click on import. I have already provided each of the images and icon I'm using in this project into the description. I have put the link in the description. Okay, so I'm going to use this image, home image, and click on open and OK. And we have to set the background image as stretch. Okay, after that what we have to do is we have to actually set this Windows state, it's normal. If we change this one to maximize, then the form when open it will be in the maximized form, otherwise it will be in the small form. So let me just start this and let me show you, because it's taking a little bit of time. Here you can see this. Okay, so we are on the login page, and when I enter this password and when I log in, here you can see this now on the dashboard. So now it's looking nice. So first thing what I want is I want to remove this border. Here you can see this, I don't need this stuff. I need our design close button, and after that I need that menu strip. So I'm going to add that. Let me just close this, and let me just change this startup page. So just for that, just go to program.cs, just double click on that. Here you can see this form 1. So change this name to dashboard. So when I click on start now, our dashboard will be directly open. We don't have to go each time through the login page. Okay, so now it's good. So in dashboard, first thing what I need is I want to remove this border, that is border style, border frame. Okay, so let me search for that. Just click on this and go to properties, and in properties you have to search for form border style. Just change this to none, because it is now the border has been removed. So if you start this now, then we cannot close it directly from this form. We have to manually come to our the Visual Studio, and after that we have to stop that. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a button. So I'm going to copy that button from form 1, that is the login form. So I'm going to copy this button and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, and I'm going to change this anchor property of this button. So just click on this and go to anchor property, and it's already actually copied, that is top right. And after that what we have to do is we have to code on this. Let's double click on this and we have to type application dot exit. We have to use this to close the application. Now just start this once again and see what happened. So now you can see this, we have this close button. When I click on this, the our project is closed. Okay, so now I'm going to design first thing, that is menu strip. I'm going to add that menu strip. Here you will find this, is drag and drop it over here. Okay, so here you can see this, now it's added over here. So now first thing what we have is, let me just move back to our complete project. Here we have the first thing is donor, and within that we have 3 form. Okay, so I'm going to add these stuff. So first thing is donor, after that search blood donor, stock, delete donor, and logout. I'm going to add these stuff first. So first thing is nothing but donor. So donor. The second one is search blood donor. Third is stock. Fourth one is delete donor. And finally we have logout. Okay, so now it's not looking nice. We have to add icons into this. For that, just click on this, and after that you have to search for image over here in the properties of this. Here I have find it that image. Just click on this small three dots and click on local resources. As I have told you, I have provided the link for each of the images in the description. Just go and download it. Click on import, and I'm going to use which icon? I'm going to use this one, donor plus. Okay, so click on OK. Here you can see this, the image is quite small. So here you have to change one property, that is image scaling from size to fit to none. So now it's looking nice. In the same way we have to do for the second one. Search for image, click on this, local resources, click on import, and after that we have to use this. We are searching, so for that we have to use the search user. Just click on this and OK. In the same way we have the change the scaling property. Stock, we have to change the stock image. Click on this, local resources import, and after that we have to do the same way. This one is stock and open, and click on OK. Change the size to fit to none, and the same way we have to do for the delete. This one is delete donor. Click on OK. Change this one to none. And after that, in the same way, change this logout icon also. Local resources, click on import. Here we have this, open and OK. Size to fit to none. So now it's looking nice. Here you can see this. But we observe one small difference, that the color of this is not same as we expecting. So this color is nothing but red. So just go to properties and you can see the color combination of this one. So here let me show you this one. We have selected, actually let me just copy the color code, or we can manually check this. This is not the color, this one, the first one is the color. Okay, so here you can see this. So I'm going to change the color of this menu strip. So just go to properties and change the color. So back color, search for back color. Here you can see this back color. Click on this custom and select the first one. So now I'm going to start this and look how it's looking. Here you can see this. Now it's looking nice. But in our complete project, I have already shown you, when I click on this donor, we have three forms, that is add new, update details, and add donor details, all donor details. So I'm going to add those stuff. So let me first close this. After that, what we have to do is we have to click on this and start typing over here. So let me just see once again that what is the name, add new, update details, and all donor details. So I'm going to add that. Here you can see this, add new donor. The second one is update details, and third one is nothing but all donor details. Okay, now I'm going to add icons to these stuff and the same way. So just click on this first one. The properties of that will be opened over here, and you have to do the same way. Search for image, click on this, local resources, click on import, and it will open your local directory. In this, you will find this logo, add new, and click on open and OK. So it's quite small, so change the image scaling to none, so it will be a little bit larger than before. So in the same way, update details, so click on images and local resources, click on import, and you have to find this image. Here you can see this. Okay, update details, and click on OK. OK, and change the size to fit to none, all donor detail. In the same way, search for image, click on this dots, local resources, click on import, and all donor detail. Let me search where it is. this is the details and open, click OK. Change this one image scaling to none. So now it's looking nice. Here you can see this. Now start this and check that if it is working or not. So here you can see the project has been started, and when I click on this, here you can see this. We have this stuff over here. So I'm going to close this. Okay, so we are going to add in the same way for the search blood donor. So in this we have to add two stuff. Let me just check what these stuff are. So I'm going to click on this location and by blood group. Okay, search by location. So location, and this one is by blood group. Hit enter. In the same way we have to set the icons for these. So just go to images, click on this, local resources, by location. So I'm going to use address. No, this one location over here. Just click on OK. Change this one to none. And in the same way do for the same for the blood group. So just click on this image, local resources, click on import, and we have to search for blood. So here we have blood. I'm going to use this logo, not to worry about that. Change this size to fit to none. So now task till here is done. Here you can see this. Now we have to change for this stock. So in stock we have actually three properties. Let me just check that out. Just go over here, and when I click on this here you can see this increase, decrease and details. So let me move back over here, and in this stock what we have is increase, decrease and details. So first is increase, second one is decrease, and third one is nothing but details. So we have to set the image for these two, image, local resources, and for increase here we have, click on OK, change this property to none, do same for details, do for same for decrease, image, local resources, click on import, here we have the decrease logo, open, OK, change this one to none, details, we have to add the image, click on import, so we have this detail over here, click OK, change this size to fit to none. So now for the stock we have done. In the delete donor we have only one, that is nothing but delete itself, delete donor. So I'm going to add that. So click on this and we have to add delete donor in this. So DELE delete donor and hit enter. Click on this, and just in the same way we have to add image over here. So local resources, and for delete we have to add this one. OK, and you have to change the image scaling to none. So now it's looking nice. And finally we have the logout. So now I'm going to start this. In logout we don't have to add any stuff. So you can see this, when I click on these we have three details here. We have two in stock, we have these two, delete, and we have this logout. So what I want is when I click on this logout, this will let me move back to our dashboard or login page actually. So how to do that? For that, just close this, and to generate a click event of this logout, so just double click on this and this will generate a click event. And what I want is I want to move back to the login form. So login form name is actually form 1. So I'm going to make an object of that. So form 1 fm equals new form 1, and what we have to do is we have to call fm dot open okay. So it's form 1, and what we have to do is fm dot show actually, and After showing, what I want is dashboard needs to be closed. So this dot close, and when you start this, and let me check that if it's working or not. So we have set that we to directly open the dashboard. So when I click on this, this will let me move back to our login page. Okay, so it's not initialized. So let me just change this one. Okay, sorry. We have to hide this actually. We cannot close this. So we have to call the method hide and just start this and check this once again if it's working or not. So when I click on logout, here you can see this. We move to login page, and here we have to enter username and password, that is btech days, and password is pass. And now we are back on the dashboard. So that's it for the today's video, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to code for this add new donor. Here you can see this. Let me just show you quickly in the complete project. This is complete project, and I have started the project over here. And here we have to enter btech days pass. You can see this, the password, and accept terms and conditions login. In next video, I'm going to show you how to design this form and how to backend code for this. Here you can see this. We have the blood groups over here. We have the gender over here. So thanks for watching, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon before you leave the channel. Thanks for watching.